Hello guys, in previous videos we learned about if else statement in Java and also hello world program. In this video we will learn how to use loops in Java. So let's make a file with the name of for loops in Java. Now first of all create a main method as I found my IntelliSense, so it automatically create. When I enter it automatically create main method. If you want this then let me know. So first of all we create a for loop body. In this we will told the starting and the ending of the iteration. So if I want to start my iteration from 0, so I will declare a variable known as iterator. You can give any name. For example, I have given I, and then I give the condition till I want to iterate my loop till 10. Oh, I mistakenly typed comma instead of semicolon, and then increment, which tell the program to increment one by one after every iteration. So let's print it. Number, then I can concatenate I with this. Now it will print from 0 to 10 because start from 0 as I declared I is equal to 0 and then I told it less than 10, so it will iterate till 9 not 10 because when I told it less than 10, so it means 10 is not included in it. Let's start it and wait to run the program. Oh, there is a mistake. So let's run it and see what it prints. Oh, it prints from, now you can see that it prints from 0 to 9, not 10 included because we have given here less than. If we give less than or equal to, then it will print 10 also. Now you can see here 10 is also printed. So let's make a small application of for loop. For example, we want to print the table of 10. So let's see how can we make a table of 10 from this code. So if I try, if we write in the code 10 multiply by I, it means that every time, for example, n, here I will start from 1, n equal to 10 because every time when we are printing the tables we print from 1 to 10 most probably, and mostly normally we use 1 to 10. So here is it start, it's 10 multiplied by I, then it will print every time. For example, it will print the 10 multiplied by the numbers from the iteration. For example, the first it will print 10 multiplied by 1, then 10 multiplied by 2, then 10 multiplied by 3, and so on. And now let's print space and equal to, it will print as I multiply by 10. Now let's see whether it prints or not the table of 10. Now you can see it print the table of 10, 10 multiplied by 1, 10 multiplied by 2. So you can see that it is very helpful. Mostly in problems you will use it. 1, 2, 3 we will have to print 10 statement, which is very difficult because it is less. Now it is less 10 statements, but when there are there are thousands of data, so how we can print thousands of lines, so that is very helpful. Now see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.